Who the hell are you? Guy in a suit? He's dead.
You don't know who I am, do you?
Just a punk.
Actually, I'm the director of FEMA.
Sure.
I am the more advanced model, Denton.
You have a single fact to back that up.
Hello, Agent. Make it easy on yourself, JC. You can't run, Denton. You take another step forward, and here I am again. Like your own reflection repeated in a hall of mirrors, with the exception, Denton, that I have a newer version of the firmware. I've looked forward to this. I knew you were a mistake.
Yeah? We'll see about that.
Uh-oh.
I don't feel anything.
This is getting out of hand. Hello, Agent. Business is busy,
I have to drop something.
Jesus Christ, Denton.
How about that dance?
Laugh it up, Denton. More paperwork.
Give me a break.
He's here. Is that him? Hello, Agent. Denton's me busy. Can't take me, JC. I've seen your specs.
I'd love to stay and chat, but I've got to get moving. Well, good luck.
Get the hell out of here, Denton. He's gone. Those damn implants. Hiding, JC. Not very heroic. I told Manderley that would happen. I should get my settles down, Agent. Where is he? Underestimating the problem. Patient. Once the bug bites, you've already lost the patient. Even a passing interest in doing your job. Quit screwing around.
Subdued, JC. I didn't say dead.